Good morning everyone, how are you doing? I'm doing great. Today I'm gonna show you my 0-yen room tour in Japan. I'm traveling across Japan while working at resorts and I usually stay in free employee housing. There is a circuit breaker on the ceiling in the entryway. I use a magnetic hook on the door to hang my keys. I got it at a 100-yen shop and it's really useful. The main entrance is auto-locked, so only residents can get in, and my room has 2 locks, so it feels pretty safe. Next to the entryway, there's a bathroom. Luckily, my room has a private one, so it's really comfortable. Some dorms have shared showers, but they are separated by gender, so it's totally safe. Guess what? I bought this toilet paper at the drugstore, but the hole is too small to fit on the holder, so I just have it next to the toilet. Kind of funny, right? There's a towel here, and these are toilet and bathroom cleaners. They came with the room. I also got this small broom at the 100-yen shop. I use it to sweep up hair and throw it away. These are my cosmetics. This black box is foldable, so it's really convenient. On work days, I usually keep my makeup pretty light. By the way, I recently got this foundation. It was only 1600 yen, but the coverage is amazing. It's perfect for covering acne scars. This is my perfume. I got it at a herb shop in Tochigi. It's eau de toilette, so the scent doesn't last long, only about 1 or 2 hours. Since strong perfumes aren't very popular in Japan, this one is great when I just want something light for a short time. These are eye drops for contact lenses. The Tamagotchi package is so cute. This is my toner. It's really good for preventing acne. Toothpaste, hairspray, toothbrush, eyeliner case. I prefer bar soap because it only costs about 100 yen and lasts for about 6 months. I have to adjust the temperature using separate hot and cold taps. You can switch to the shower by turning this knob. When you take a shower, you can use this shower curtain. It prevents water from splashing. I use a drain strainer and I throw away the hair after every shower. This is an all-in-one body wash, so I can wash my hair and body with just this one. Since I'm traveling, I try not to carry too many things. Cleansing oil. This is an enzyme cleansing powder. I use it once a week, but honestly, just using cleansing oil might be enough. I'm getting hungry, but I'll keep going with the room tour. This is a storage shelf. It's very slim. I keep my daily essentials here. This is my room. It's a traditional Japanese style room. Let's count how many tatami mats are in my room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the right side of my room, there are 6 hooks on the wall. This is my favorite gold everyday bag. I use it all the time. I also love this black everyday bag. It's perfect for short trips. Hygiene is my favorite bag brand, so please check it out if you like. This is my work bag. I bought it near Mount Fuji. I'm planning to climb Mount Fuji with my sister in August, so I'm so excited. Mountain hat, party bag, and spring jackets. This is the air conditioner and a laundry line. This is a Japanese style bed. We call it futon. When you are not using it, you can fold it up so it saves space. From the window, you can see the mountains, but honestly, I wish I had a room on the other side since it has an ocean view. This is my desk corner. I placed it by the window so I can feel nature. I also put my goals on the wall. I'm pretty lazy, so this helps me stay motivated. This is a 2-in-1 laptop. I can use it as both a tablet and a laptop. Can you guess what this is? Is it tissue? No. Tada! Actually, it's a toilet paper. Since I'm a traveler, I don't wanna own too many things. If you can cover it with a scarf, it looks more stylish. This is an anti-fog solution for glasses. These are guidebooks and study materials. I highly recommend this electronic memo pad. It's only 500 yen. Recently, I bought this clear water bottle on Amazon. It has 2 different drinking spots, so it's very convenient. This is an electronic kettle. I don't really like drinking tap water as it is, so I always boil it first. These are my stationery items. I recently started using a planner, and it's been really helpful for organizing my thoughts. This is a laundry basket and a laundry detergent. My room didn't come with a fridge or a microwave, so I rented both. I wanna try baking a cake with this oven. I keep some tea on top of the microwave. I really love tea. Next to the tea, I keep some dishes. I can't believe this was just 200 yen from a 100 yen shop. In the freezer, I keep some bread and yogurt. I keep some eggs and rice in the fridge. I put trash schedule here. Japan is really strict about separating garbage. Lastly, let me show you my storage closet. I bought this down jacket from Uniqlo. It's really light and warm, and it was a great deal. I keep my clothes and towels around here. This is my hiking backpack. I keep some snacks in this bag. I keep some miscellaneous items around here. I keep cooking utensils and my suitcase on the bottom shelf of the closet. I got this candle-like ornament at the 100 yen shop. I thought it would light up, but it doesn't. It's just for decoration, but it's really cute, so I like it anyway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.